In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to TikTok Ads Manager, whether you're collaborating with a teammate, bringing on an agency, or simply delegating campaign tasks. Adding a member the right way keeps your account secure and your workflow smooth. First, open your TikTok Ads account and sign in so you're on the Ads Manager dashboard. It helps to confirm you're using an account with the proper permissions to manage users, typically an admin level profile. If you can't see user settings later on, that's usually a sign you need higher access from your organization. Next, look for the Users section. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in your top navigation or within your account settings. Go ahead and open Users to view everyone who currently has access to your account. From there, click Add Member. This opens a form where you'll specify who you want to invite. Enter the person's email address carefully since the invitation will be sent there. Using their work email is best for consistency and security. Make sure there are no typos because a mistyped email means they won't receive the invite. Now select Assign Role. Roles define what someone can do at a high level. For context, an admin role typically grants full control, including user management and billing access. A standard or operator-style role usually allows creating, editing, and managing campaigns without full admin privileges. A viewer or analyst role is generally read-only, great for stakeholders who just need reporting. Choose the role that matches the responsibilities you want them to have. Click. Next, to move on, you'll now select Account Permissions. This is where you fine-tune access by choosing which specific ad accounts or assets they can use and what actions they're allowed to take. If you're unsure, apply the principle of least privilege. Only grant the permissions necessary for their tasks. You can always adjust later if their responsibilities grow. When everything looks correct, click Save. The system will send an invitation to the email you entered. The person will need to accept that invite before they can access your Ads Manager. If they don't see it, ask them to check Spam or Promotions folders. If the Add Member button wasn't available for you, reach out to your account owner or admin to get the right level of access. That's it. You've added someone to TikTok Ads Manager in a secure, organized way. You can return to the Users section anytime to review roles, update permissions, or remove access as your team changes.